February 6th, 2023. Kim and I are going on an expedition. On the Triple T Ranch. Ouch! Got me. We found this creek bed. Ouch! When it rains well, we have a good rain, it fills up, and there's a real good waterfall. When it's dry, it's real dry. We were walking yesterday and we saw some stuff down there, so Kim's gonna go investigate, see what we can find.
The way these creeks work in East Texas is the water starts cutting across the property, I guess right after Noah got on the boat, or 40 days after Noah got on the boat. And what happens is it cuts through the sand and dirt. We have sandy loam here, all the way down to clay. So all this that you see here, these rocks, they're just laying on the clay. The rocks come out of here and fell down to the clay. So I see a brick, a couple of bricks. I don't get why there's a big mound of dirt. We got these bricks in here. This is like in the middle of nowhere, right, camera girl?
Right. We actually had never been down here before yesterday.
Talking about old brick now. That dude's been in there a while.
That's nice.
I'm gonna throw it up there.
Okay. I've been needing an old brick.
You got one, you made one, now you got another one. Found some more metal.
What's that to?
Beats me.
Dang, it's a big old chunk of metal.
Look at this leaf spring. Now that's a car.
Oh my goodness.
We could probably get the width of it and figure out what it goes on. But this right here I can use on the forge. This is spring steel. A hook. Let me can for gold here for a minute.
I wish we were paying them for gold. Well, this is our kind of gold. We love these kind of little treasures that we find. That's neat.
That's an old dude there.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna throw it up there.
Okay.
See where it landed?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. There's a pipe right here. Another pipe right here. That's so old, there's not much left of it. And there's another piece going into the dirt right there.
Rinse it off and see if you can tell what it is.
It's just a piece of pipe.
Oh, okay.
You want it?
I mean, might as well get it out of there. Might have to drink this water someday.
You need to be the one looking. You probably find something else.
Okay, I'll come down there.
Hold on. Let's get this other stuff. It's got number 5 on it. That I'll have to take with the rope.
Wonder what it is. Could it be a piece of a tractor?
We found found pipe that could be a fence. We found a hook that could be a gate hook. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So it is possible that this thing came down after a flood, you know. See, like this right here. Is this metal? It is.
Chunk of metal?
Yeah. Before you come down, try to put all that in one spot so we can find it.
Okay.
Get down here, there's some more stuff.
All right, here I come. All right, I'm down here. What you got to show me?
We got this.
What in the world is it?
Somebody probably knows, but I don't.
I have to do some investigation.
Look at this.
What is that?
An axle bearing
How crazy.
from a wooden wagon.
Oh,
Could this be off a wooden wagon?
well, we thought that Tremel's Trace went through here. If it did, then that
Oh, yeah.
certainly makes
It
sense.
could be a wagon busted and left in here.
Yes. Oh my goodness. That'd be crazy if that's what it was. It wouldn't explain the bricks, though. We'll have to figure that out
Unless they were carrying them.
to build a house.
That means those bricks would be late 1800s or whatever.
Yeah. It's crazy down in here. It's really, the temperature drops, the water's ice cold. It looks really clear. It's neat. There's our little pile up there. That's where I was, right there.
Oh my goodness, that's heavy. That's 1.25 inch pipe.
Just laying in the creek bed.
I don't believe that could tumble down through here.
No.
I think it was put here.
Yeah, it couldn't have washed, is
Uh-uh.
what you're saying. We find old bottles and stuff all the time, but they just get washed down. This had to have been here.
I ain't carrying that twist.
These rocks are super cool too. I love all these rocks. Some really good bright
River
red
moss.
ones. This is where we need to come when we get ready to do some stacking things that we'd like to do.
Ja.
Because I like the color of these.
Did you find anything on the other end?
No, but I just saw a bottle right here. Well, I found a couple more pieces of, this is not old though. It's bush beer.
This is what I found. A medieval piece of metal, a piece of brick, and a jawbone of a deer.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. What in the world? Holy moly. A little
it's got
tiny.
writing on it.
How
That is
cute.
old. You know what that is?
What?
That's one of those little medicine bottles like they used to have. You know what I mean? On
Yeah.
stagecoaches and stuff. Maybe. Can you see it? Read it? Wash it out.
No.
I almost can read it.
If we weren't out here where the light, there's a lot of light. It was just right here, right?
Yeah,
I wonder if there's any more.
probably.
Oh, I did find a piece of a bottle, a broken bottle over there. This is cool.
I knew you'd like that.
You know how I love bottles.
Something in company.
Yep. TGI FGV something and company. And then that looks like it says perfume, P-E-R.
We're thinking this might be a blacksmith tong because it has that rounded look to it.
That'd be really cool. We'll clean it up and see.
I walked up that too. Thought there might be a dead body up there or something.
Mm-hmm. Dug out of the creek bed. This is just a rock, and that's just a rock, because I love rocks for my flower beds. And this brick, I just looked up on Google, and it says it's from the 1800s, maybe 1900. I'm gonna look at all those bricks. And then there's some chain and a hook, some metal. We're gonna try to figure out what all this stuff is.
I think that's cast iron. So, look at that valve.
Look at this. We found this right when we were coming out.
And it's open. And this leaf spring has a square bolted head, or square-headed bolt.
And then this looks like some kind of hook.
Yep, I don't know what that is.
We'll just put them in a bucket of vinegar and see what happens.
And these things, that's a pretty good indication of something. Those things that are molded out like that, cast out.
Maybe some kind of cast iron stuff. That was fun. We like it.
The best thing is those tongs right there.
And then this, did we already see that?
Yeah, it's just
Big piece of metal.
something that used to bolt something else together. It looks like a square-headed bolt went right through there. All right. Let's get the heck out of here.
Yep, let's go.